Yo, wanna know how to pick stocks that'll make you money instead of turning your wallet into a sad little ghost town? Today, I'm spilling my foolproof recipe for spotting a killer company to invest in. Like the kind that could turn $100 into $1 million if you play it right. No PhD, no suit required. Just you, me, and 3 secrets Wall Street doesn't want you to know. Buckle up, hit that like button if you're ready to get rich, or at least not broke, and let's roll. Real talk. Most newbie investors, and I've been there, lose cash faster than I lose my phone charger. Why? They chase TikTok hype or their cousin's hot tip about some sketchy penny stock. Spoiler, that's how you end up eating ramen for a decade. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a genius to find the next Amazon or Netflix before it pops off. It's about 3 stupidly simple things anyone with Wi-Fi can check. I'm about to save your bank account, and maybe your dignity. Let's do this. First up, is this company throwing a cash party that keeps getting bigger? Revenue's their total sales, like how much moolah they're raking in. If it's not growing year after year, they're basically a dud. Picture this. You're at a party and the snacks keep running out. Lame, right? Same vibe. Go to Yahoo Finance, free, no account needed, and look at their revenue for the last 3 to 5 years. Take a company like Nvidia. AI chips are sending their sales to the moon. Then you've got some old-school retailer with flat sales collecting dust. Nope. You want the party that's popping off. My first investing flop? I bet on a company with 0 growth. Lesson learned. No cash party, no invite from me. Okay, revenue's cool, but are they actually keeping the cash? Profits are where it's at. Imagine you make $1,000 but spend $1,200 on random junk. Looking at you, my old sneaker obsession. You're broke. Companies are the same. Check their profit margin, how much they pocket after bills. Google company name plus earnings, and look at net income. If it's positive and growing, they're winning. Coca-Cola? Steady profits, like a chill grandpa with a fat bank account. Some overhyped tech startup bleeding cash? That's a hard pass, fam. I once got hyped on a company with big sales but 0 profits. Total facepalm. Now I know, if they're not cashing checks, they're not worth my vibe. Now the big one, debt. This is the silent killer that'll sneak up on you like that friend who forgets to pay you back. Too much debt? It's a disaster waiting to happen. Look at their debt-to-equity ratio. Under 1 is golden, over 2, and I'm sprinting away. Google company name plus debt, and you'll see it on their balance sheet. Airlines? Some are drowning in loans. Yikes. Then you've got a beast like Microsoft sitting on cash like it's no big deal. True story, I almost invested in a company with crazy debt once. Dodged that bullet, and now I'm obsessed with keeping it lean. Debt's the ultimate buzzkill. Don't let it crash your portfolio party. Let's put this to the test with a real example, because I'm not just here to talk the talk. Take Tesla. Revenue? Zooming up like Elon's rockets. Profits? Took a while, but now they're solid. Check. Debt? Not perfect, but manageable for a growth monster. That's why it's a fan fave. Now compare that to some failing mall store. Sales flatter than my attempts at baking, profits disappearing, debt piling up like my laundry. See the difference? You've got the cheat code now. Growing revenue, real profits, low debt. Boom! Millionaire mindset activated. Here's a little bonus, because I like you. Ever heard of the moat? It's not just for castles. It's when a company's got something special no one can copy. Think Apple's brand or Netflix's grip on streaming. It's not a number, but if they've got that extra sauce, they're more likely to keep winning. I ignored this once, bet on a copycat company and got burned. Now I'm all about that moat life. It's like picking the cool kid who runs the playground. So there you have it. 3 dead simple ways to spot a good company. Cash flowing in, profits stacking up, debt staying chill. Start small, poke around online, and you'll be picking winners like you've got a crystal ball. Want more investing hacks? Smash that subscribe button. I'm dropping gold like this all the time. Tell me in the comments, what stock are you scoping out with these tricks? Let's get rich together, or at least afford better snacks than ramen. Catch you in the next one.